Cleaning your Oracle Jet keeps it in the best working order and ensures every coffee tastes great. Select the Cog button to open the Settings menu. Under the Maintenance heading, you'll find on-screen user guides for steam wand cleaning, cleaning the group head, descaling, changing the water filter, and the water hardness test. First is how to perform a group head clean. The Oracle Jet will display an on-screen pop-up message alerting you it's time for cleaning. Simply follow the prompts on screen. If you need to perform the clean cycle manually, access the Settings menu by touching the cog icon on the upper right of the screen. Then scroll down and select Group Head Clean and follow the on-screen instructions. It's that simple. To ensure your machine continues to brew the perfect cup, replacing the Claro Swiss water filter is essential. First, remove and drain the water tank. Remove and discard the used water filter. Set the new filter to the current month. Next, soak the filter in fresh, cold water for 5 minutes. Assemble the water filter parts and ensure they are firmly connected. Then, install it into the tank by clicking into place. Fill the tank with water to the max line and reinstall into the machine. Remember to replace the filter after approximately 90 days. Head to Breville.com and subscribe to the automatic top-up of parts and accessories, and they'll be delivered to you based on your machine's maintenance requirements. To clean the Conical Burrs, filter basket, shower screen, and deep clean the steam wand, follow these next steps. Regular cleaning helps the Burrs achieve consistent grinding results. First, unlock and empty the hopper. Then, remove any remaining coffee beans before replacing and locking the hopper. Set the grind size to maximum, 45, and run the grinder until empty. Unlock and remove the upper burr by pulling the wire arm up and twisting counterclockwise. Clean the upper and lower burr with the cleaning brush. Align the index marks and push the upper burr firmly into position. Lock the upper burr by rotating clockwise. Insert and lock the hopper, then return your grind setting to its previous position. Now you're ready to refill with fresh coffee beans. Next, let's look at how to keep your filter basket clean. After some use, you may notice a buildup of coffee residue in your portafilter and filter basket, which should be kept clean regularly. Take out the filter basket and wash it in hot water with a scouring brush and light detergent. Alternatively, use a cleaning tablet to soak the metal part of the portafilter in hot water. Flushing the portafilter with water after each shot helps clean the portafilter, which you can then dry with a cloth. Now that's complete, let's clean the shower screen. To ensure all residual ground coffee particles are removed from the shower screen, periodically run hot water through the group head with the filter basket and portafilter in place, but without ground coffee. This removes any residual ground coffee particles from the shower screen. And finally, the drip tray. This should be removed, emptied, and cleaned periodically with warm water, particularly when the drip tray float indicator shows. Remove the grill from the drip tray. Expect to see water and espresso residue that has collected over time. Carefully remove the drip tray so not to spill any contained liquid. Empty the drip tray into the sink before cleaning it with warm, soapy water, ensuring you remove all residue. The storage tray can also be removed and cleaned with a soft, damp cloth, not abrasive cleansers or pads, which may scratch the surface. Rinse and dry before inserting back into the machine. And finally, when you're performing a steam wand clean, you'll want to prepare the steam wand cleaning powder, sold separately. To use the steam wand cleaning powder, add 1 packet of the powder to an empty milk jug before filling around halfway with hot water. Unscrew the steam tip and place both parts into the jug with the steam wand and soak them for 20 minutes. Next, clean, rinse, and replace the steam tip parts. Place the wand back into the jug and activate steam for 10 seconds, leaving it to soak for 5 minutes. Purge the steam wand by activating steam a few times. Then wipe the wand and rinse the jug thoroughly. For additional helpful cleaning guides, see the settings icon on your Oracle Jet interface.